Denpasar Mall.
first tour in Indonesia.
Denpasar Mall.
Specifically here in Bali, Indonesia, Ubud. Yeah, I'm with my friends. Ate
Hi,
Irene.
good morning.
Yeah.
Welcome to Bali.
Yan, here is her friend.
What's your name?
Hello.
Hello, Joel.
San? Pag
Hi.
ano ka try mo magano dyan sa ano? San? Sa harap.
Ganito?
Nakita ka?
So we're going
Hi.
to swing.
First day.
First day.
First day in Bali.
Anong natin? Saan unang ano natin?
Swing.
Sa swing? Ano pangalan ng swing?
What's the name of the swing?
Mayawayan. Bali Swing ya.
Bali
Bali
swing.
swing. We're going to Bali swing.
Bali Swing ya.
These are the temples or?
Yeah.
Ah.
This one family, this one small temple ya. This one family, this one small temple.
Ah, okay.
For the
Every family there is small temple.
yeah, this is one family, this one small temple ya. This special big temple around here,
That's why
700.
yesterday I saw all of temples here beside along the highway. That's why.
This ya.
It's a must to have a temple.
Mas?
It's
Must.
neat that there is
It's neat.
temple, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's where we pray.
Jatilui.
Ate Irene,
Hi.
what is your first impression here in Bali?
Jatilui full temple.
It's just like
Special temple.
Philippines, but the thing is, they have many temples that we don't have there.
Yeah. How
Yeah.
about here in Ubud? Because our first destination is here in Ubud. How about
What do you mean?
the
itself?
place, also our hotel?
That's right.
Your
The
first
hotel
impression.
it's nice. It's quiet. It's really good for wellness, you know. And then they have a pool.
Yeah.
The food is good. Yeah. We had it early.
Yeah. The food is
You like
nice.
So far.
Yeah.
So far.
Also the dessert, you know.
Yeah, the dessert.
Yeah.
It's
tradisi?
good. It's nice. Guapo, what's your first impression when we arrive in Ubud?
Ambot. I need an interpreter.
Pwede ma'am Bisaya.
First impression, nindot.
It's
Actually,
nice.
it's a nice city, and we're here for the tradition. Katulang.
Hello, Chard. Good
Hi,
morning.
good morning.
Hey, what can you say about the place?
Place.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so far.
For me, because we arrived too late already at night, so I can't see how beautiful Indonesia. So, but first of all, airport is amazing. It's big, and also it's what do you call this one, ate? Like
Ano?
and bago. It's
It's new.
new build. Yeah, that's why.
it's new. That is why.
Compared to Philippines, it's more impressive here, the airport.
Okay.
In Naiya, ha? But our Clark
But-
International Airport is nice and also impressive.
Yeah.
And also my first impression here in Ubud. Ubud is very nice. It's very quiet place. It's the people is amazing. They are very nice. They are very approachable. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also our
The staff in a
all the
hotel.
staff. Regarding the hotel is very nice. You will see the rice fields. Also, you will see the people. What do you call this one? Planting like for the rice.
Yeah.
Like that. And also for the food. Food is breakfast is nice.
We
Yeah.
have a
We have a good
Good
breakfast. Regarding the dessert is very nice also.
yeah.
Then
Presentation wise.
presentation wise,
It's so Instagrammable.
And also we tried the Balinese coffee. Balinese coffee is very nice.
Yeah.
Just like we're drinking
Turkish
like
coffee.
Arabic
Okay.
coffee. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then also now we just booked going to our private tour because it's already we wake up late. So now we're going to our private tour at 10 a.m.
We are heading
Yeah,
to
we're heading to what
Bali
do you call this?
Swing.
Yeah, we're going to Bali Swing now.
Are you excited?
I'm
What?
not sure. Yeah, I think
Are
I'm
you
excited.
afraid of heights?
I'm not that afraid in heights, but this is my first time for Kawan. But let's see.
I think this is our first time.
Yeah.
The
all of
swing
us.
is not,
All
you
of
know,
us.
but
Because in the Philippines we had swing.
Yeah, but I think
not like this.
Yeah, it's not like this because I think this one is very big.
Ganun nga. Napansin ko guys na ano pala dito. Para ding Malaysia yung style niya, yung sa kotse. Kasi na-try ko sa Malaysia before. Yung manubela dito sa my right side, no? Right side siya. Hindi katulad sa atin sa Pilipinas kasi parang nakakapanibago pag nandito ka sa loob. Kasi yung andito kasi sa yung 'di ba nandito yung manubela sa my right side kaya medyo nakakapanibago siya. Galing nga. Hi guys, we're here in Bali Swing, here in Ubud. Yeah, now my friends are there. They are looking for package for the swing. Yeah. Let's go with them. Yan guys, nakapag-avail na kami ng package tour. Bale, si Ate Irene na lang yung kumuha ng package tour lahat. Kasi parang pambabae lahat. Bale, ang kinuha ko is yung sa may, dalawa lang, yung sa may Bali Nest, then yung parang boat. Then, yung lunch nila na buffet. Doon sa loob. Now, bababa na kami para doon sa ano. Dito. Yan, dito yung ano. Daming tao, ang daming nagsiswing. Hindi na ako nag-avail ng swing kasi may pupuntahan pa kami ulit mamaya. Parang doon sa last venue namin is mayroon din swing na mas maganda yung ano yung ano niya, background. See, ayun doon si ano. Ate Irene is preparing there.
Guys. Later na ako ano no? Hindi ka po. Bukas.
Ayun naman, 27.
7. Opo. You picture me there.
Ano ka photographer na?
First my photographer.
Ready ka
You?
na, te?
Yeah, I'm so ready. This is so exciting. Look at my gown.
Yan guys.
Where's buhay ko po?
Unahin namin yung ano to, yung nest ba? Nest. Yeah. Ito yung nest. Yeah. Mauna muna si Ate Irene sa amin. Kasi siya yung naka-dress at ready na siya. Ayan guys, yan ang behind the scene. Behind the scene.
Ay, usama man yung password mo nila.
Lights out,
11 to 80. What?
Lights out.
Out.
Mautap ko na ko ano sa mga naong ani imong video eh.
About this one. Yeah.
Eh, effort kung effort.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, wait.
What right side is left right?
Wow. Sino ka dyan?
Can you make a hat? Yeah, get bit lower your hand, look at here. Lower. Nice. Good. 1, 2, and okay, last one, two, ready. Smile. 1, 2. Thank you.
Ganda.
Johnny Jones. You call it one? Itik. Huh? Good.
Yes, I'm done.
Larong pagtagad niya eh.
Ang init, apakaganda.
Pwede kami nang.
Napakadami foreigner.
Aja ka ninyo.
Yay! See? Ayan yung romantic kasi, te.
Look at me. Look at me, please. One hand put the knee. Nah. Pack the glasses. Both hand put the knee. Your hand put the pillow like this. Okay, hands up, please.
Guys, we're done with our swing. Now we're going to eat our lunch here. And this buffet is already included in our package. Saan ko pwede ilagay?
Ayun, dun. Ano? Let's go.
Pwede na dito. Yung buffet nila may kasamang soup with meatballs. Fish fillet, chicken, tofu, mixed vegetables, then rice.
Pagkakir na yan.